Peanuts, are you holding yourself up? Are you so fat you're afraid you're gonna roll off? You holding yourself up right now? You look mighty weird. Mighty weird with your little paws like that. Is that your balance system? I'm gonna keep some balance so my fat roly-poly body doesn't come off the edge. Peanuts, you going to your spot? This Peanuts place. She sleeps up there or in that little hole all the time. Oh, Peanut. Oh, Peanut. Let's see if we can get a zoom in on that. Oh, I've been waiting for you to do this. Everybody, check out Peanut's toes. She has one pink one black one pink one black one. It is a perfect pattern, and it's quite adorable. Oh, little Peanut.